Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to teach you how to replace the blower motor assembly of this Toyota Sienna 2016 LE. So I'm gonna show you how, because right now it's not working, so I'm gonna show you what happened. So right now, if you're going to turn on, and this is what's gonna happen. And it stopped. So get stuck now. So start for a little bit and then up. Now I'm gonna restart again. So when I start again, I just it is spin, that's noise, and then stop. This is what happened. If it's like that, meaning the pan blade is broken. So I bought a new one. Okay, this is the Duralast. I get it from AutoZone. This is a total of 163 including the tax, but the part itself is only 153.99. You get it like $300 from Toyota dealer. This is what we're going to put on. I'm gonna replace. Okay, so like what I said, this is only 163 all in all, including the tax. We have only 1, 2, 3 screw that you're going to remove, and then there is a plug in here. That's it. So now let me give you steps. Okay, so you're gonna push this one in so that they remove the lock, and this one over here pushes in, and now we're here, and then we are going to remove the whole thing by pushing this one down. Okay, let me remove this lock over here also. Okay, now this is down, this is down. Okay, so right here is the motor. Okay, I'm just going to remove this 3 screw. Okay, so this one and this one and that one, and pull this wire. Okay, so let me do it. All right, so as you can see right now, I remove it and I confirm that this is the problem right here. Look, the movement right now, this is really what happened. So the motor itself is not good anymore, so it's shaking. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, it's kind of stuck already, so I'm gonna press this in and then pull it out. Okay, all right, so this is it right here. This is broken already. So the motor itself, see, there's not supposed to have a movement like that. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. This is made in Japan, this is made in China. Let's see, so the comparison, they have 3 terminals in there, they have the same. So the only thing that I observed, this one is a little bit bigger, the terminal, this one over here, but they have the same 3 terminals. Let's see, it's gonna fit. And let's see. Okay, so everything is lined up, and now let's see the width. Okay, so the width is okay, so I think it's gonna fit. Okay, so the same size, and as you can see, this one's not moving. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to start it first before I put it in. I'm gonna plug in here first, and let's see if it's gonna work. Right, I'm going to hold here and turn on the fan. Okay, this is spin. Let's see, let's go speed. Good speed. pretty much it's good. All right, so I'm going to start now to put it in. I need to take it off the key, just making sure. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in, put it back. You have only 3 screws here. Let's show you. Okay, so this is the new one now. So I put it back, the 3 screw, 1 and then 2 and then 3. So now, okay, so I'm gonna put it back, push it in until it's hold, click, put the one on the side over here, the bracket, and just push the one back in. That's it. So let's try. Turn on. And now we're gonna start by turning on. As you can see right now, let me start on the engine. So as you can hear, the speed's going up. And that's a high speed now. Okay. So as you can see, right now it's working fine. Go on the front. Let me show you the blower. And here you go. So for you to see right now, the air coming out. Okay. All right. So I hope you learn. In summary, this is what happened over here. Because this one is 2016, never been replaced, and it's worn out is because it's overheated. It's running too long and it melted the plastic. That's why it's like that. So this one is no good anymore. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you learned for today. Bye.